Let's practice Kapalabhati breathing, also known as shining skull or breath of fire. Kapalabhati is an energizing breath and also very good at strengthening the lower belly area. The way that we practice Kapalabhati is to draw the navel quite forcefully towards the spine as we exhale, and to just let the belly relax on the breath in, focusing on the exhale so that it's not a conscious inhalation. The inhalation will just happen on its own. One way that we can practice finding the movement and the breath is to pant like a dog as we pull the belly towards the spine. Let's try that first. Did you feel it in your belly area? So that's where we want to feel it. We don't want to feel it from the chest or the throat. So we want to sit up tall. And we'll practice Kapalabhati with a fairly slow, steady rhythm. Let's try it together, this time with our mouth closed. Coming into a twist to the right, just letting the breath relax and find its rhythm. And around to the left. Coming back to center. We'll try one more round. You may practice that slower rhythm or try a slightly faster rhythm. Let's begin. This time releasing, folding forward. Drawing the chin in towards the chest as we come up. Then releasing the chin. And returning to your natural breathing. Perhaps noticing a little fire or heat in the belly, a little awakening there in the low belly. Namaste.